Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to install N8N on AWS. First, launch a new Ubuntu AC2 instance from AWS. Select t2.micro. Configure key pair and network, then start the instance. Now, connect to your EC2 instance using SSH from your terminal with a downloaded .pem key file. Then, update system packages, install Docker and Docker Compose, and add your user to the Docker group for permission. After that, create a new directory. Write a Docker Compose file with N8N configuration including ports, auth, and environment variables. Start the N8N service using Docker Compose in detached mode so it runs in the background. Next, go to EC2 security group, add an inbound rule for TCP port 5678 and open your EC2 public IP in the browser to access N8N. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.